American jets are the strongest in the world. Here are the top 5. The sky belongs to tech, not bravado. Fighters win with sensors, not just speed. That changes everything. Number 5, FA-18. Super Hornet carrier-ready workhorse, multi-role reliable. Number 4, F-15 Eagle Classic air superiority, incredible acceleration, heavy payload. Number 3, F-16 Fighting Falcon Agile, affordable everywhere, backbone of many air forces. Number 2, F-35 Lightning II, stealthy sensor fusion flying command center. And number 1, F-22 Raptor, stealthy air dominance king, unmatched maneuverability, situational awareness. There you go, 5 jets, 5 reasons the U.S. rules the sky.